Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best hand saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Hand Saws. These days it seems that every cutting tool, reciprocating saw, circular saw, compound miter saw, jigsaw has a motor of some kind. They make handsaws seem like relics from the past, like something only your grandfather would have used. Though it might seem like there's a power saw for every cutting need, the fact is a handsaw is still a vital tool in most workshops. Number 5. Great Neck and 2610 26-inch 12 TPI crosscut handsaw. The blade of this 26-inch handheld saw for wood is made of high carbon steel, designed to last a lifetime. This handsaw for wood is powerful and portable. Main features: powerful and portable, durable materials, comfortable grip. Number 4. Goldblatt folding drywall handsaw. Precision triple ground teeth allows for smooth, extra secured blade to handle assembly for safety. Deep gullets between saw teeth keeps blade free of material. Main features: secure lock and portable construction, ergonomic handle, faster cutting. Number 3. Klein Tools 31737 folding handsaw. Designed to cut through all board, plywood, plastic. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality. Main features: durable carbon steel blade, faster cutting blade, cushioned handle. Number 2. Craftsman handsaw 12-inch hacksaw. There are saws for the most applications and job. Select from 15 inches and 20 inches handsaws, a 10 inches fine finish handsaw for cutting wood, plastic, and laminate. Main features: full lifetime warranty, full grip handle, solid metal frame designed. Number 1. Craftsman handsaw 15-inch. Fine finish handsaw for cutting wood and laminate, 12 inches hacksaw, and for those precision cuts, an adjustable miter box and clamping miter box, both complete with saws. Main features: long-lasting sharpness, ergonomically designed, full lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.